Hey guys, it's Kate with WTI, and I wanted to tell you about my Hercules Tuff charging station. So this little guy is such a lifesaver. If you have a family with multiple devices, then you need to get yourself a charging station like this. So my sons both have iPads, I have an iPhone, I have an iPad. So when you're trying to all charge them, you're trying to share cables, you can never find what you need. So the fact that this comes with 6 different lightning cables, and then this nice little compact package. So you put these little plastic things in yourself. What I really like about it, let me plug it in and I'm going to show you one of the cool features. So it gives you the option to turn on this light right here. So you can see it's a blue light. So this is the only one that is on because it's plugged into the wall, and that's the one that's charging. Now, if you were to plug in any devices in any of these other ports, that particular row would light up. So I really like that you know which ones are charging. So that's a really nice feature. They also have this fast feature. So it actually charges your devices much quicker, so you can just get on with things. So I really like this. I like the look of it. I like how small it is. I like that speedy feature and the light. I would definitely recommend this. You could also, if you happen to have Androids, you can always just pull out the little charger and replace it with one that fits into your phone. So overall, a great product for the family, and that's my point of view.